Let's be honest, self-control is like that friend who shows up sometimes, and when he does, he's amazing, but then he ghosts you for weeks. One day you're meal prepping, hitting the gym, feeling like a gladiator, and the next day you're half naked on the couch, devouring pizza rolls like it's an Olympic sport. Yeah, if that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not broken, you're human. Here's the frustrating part: discipline itself isn't hard. You can do it. You've already proven that, maybe for a week, a month, even a whole year. But the real enemy? Consistency. Because life doesn't step aside and clap politely while you build yourself up. No, life throws bills, stress, loneliness, heartbreak. Like a jealous ex, it hurls chaos the second you start making progress. And when you slip, it's not just about the missed workout or late night snack. It cuts deeper. It whispers, maybe I'll never be that man. Maybe I'll always slide back. That's the moment most guys start losing respect for themselves. And when a man loses respect for himself, everything else starts to unravel. But here's the truth: that's not your fate. Not even close. I knew a guy, let's call him Mark. Mark could stay disciplined for a while, but every setback felt like failure. One breakup, one bad month at work, and he'd spiral. Until one day he flipped the script. Instead of asking, why can't I stay consistent? He asked, how fast can I recover? And that's when everything changed. Because discipline isn't about being flawless. That's perfectionism, and perfectionism is just procrastination in a tuxedo. Real control? It's about building your bounce back muscle. The faster you recover, the less power your slip-ups have. Mark stopped staying down for weeks. He started bouncing back in days, then hours, until consistency became who he was. And you can do the exact same thing. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't say, well, I forgot last night. Guess I'll never brush again. No, you grab the toothbrush in the morning and move on. So here's your move: the 24-hour reset rule. Whatever the slip, junk food, missed gym, late night scrolling, you give yourself 24 hours to reset. No shame, no drama, just reset. Mess up today? Tomorrow you're back on track. Simple, effective, and way better than waiting 3 months to start fresh on Monday. Now picture this: 6 months from now. Not perfect, but consistent. Why? Because you reset again and again, faster each time. You stop defining yourself by setbacks and start defining yourself by how quickly you rise. That's when you look in the mirror and say, yeah, I'm the man I said I'd be. That's what women notice. That's what your friends respect. And most importantly, that's when you respect yourself again. So try the 24-hour reset rule. Seriously, it might just save you from your fridge ordering another late-night pizza behind your back. And if this clicked for you, don't just scroll away, because what I've got next, oh, you're going to love it. It's the one counterintuitive trick that makes discipline feel effortless instead of exhausting. So hit subscribe or just click the video right here on your screen. This journey doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to keep moving, and I'll be here helping you reset every step of the way. Now go on, reset.